Is your PTE reading score stuck around 60? Improving your score might seem challenging, but with the right strategies, achieving a 90 is definitely within reach. Hey everyone, my name is Komal and welcome back to Rice PTE. In this guide, we will explore 5 easy steps to help you elevate your PTE reading performance. Before I begin, may I request you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Now, let's dive right in. Understand the question types. First, we will understand why it matters. The PTE reading section includes different question types, each requiring a specific strategy. The reading section of the PTE academic test is designed to help you elevate your reading and comprehension skills. Let's look at the breakdown of key question types. Number 1 is multiple choice, single answer. The strategy is to focus on identifying specific facts in the text. Read a passage and answer a multiple choice question. There may be more than one correct answer and you need to select all the correct ones, alright? So avoid guessing unnecessarily due to negative marking. I'll give an example. Let's say, if the question asks for a statistic, scan for numbers or percentages in the passage. Second is, reorder paragraphs. We will first understand the strategy. Understand the logical flow of ideas. There will be a set of jumbled sentences. To form a coherent paragraph, drop and drag, then to arrange them in the correct order. Okay, I'll give you a tip. Look for introductory sentences, transitional phrases and conclusions to arrange the paragraphs correctly. To introduce the main idea, identify the topic sentence. Familiarity with each type helps you to approach questions with confidence and avoid confusion. Okay. Next is improve your skimming and scanning techniques. And do you want to know why it helps? These techniques actually save time and help you focus on relevant details. So in skimming, quickly read the passage to get the main idea. Tip will be focus on the first and last sentences of each paragraph because the first sentence of a paragraph often introduces the main idea. The last sentence may conclude it. So look for keywords and phrases and avoid reading every word. Let's look at an example. For a passage on climate change, identifying key points like causes, effects, and solutions. Now we will understand about scanning. So what you need to do? You need to search for specific details or keywords related to the question. I'll give you a tip in this. Let's say, if the question asks about dates, numbers, or names, okay? Scan the text to find them quickly. Look for words that fit grammatically and makes sense. Mastering these skills allow you to navigate passages efficiently, okay? And also, go for mock tests to improve speed and real exam pressure. Third is, enhance your vocabulary. Do you want to know why it's crucial? Because a strong vocabulary helps you understand the text better and answer accurately. And how you can improve? 1. Use flashcards. Create flashcards for new words and their meanings. I'll give you example words. Let's say mitigate, exacerbate, and ameliorate. Second is use context clues. When encountering unfamiliar words, infer their meanings from surrounding words or phrases. Let's look at an example. Let's say in the sentence, the arid. It's not arid, it is arid, okay? So the arid climate exacerbated the drought conditions. The word climate suggests arid, which means dry, okay? So expanding your vocabulary makes reading comprehension easier and faster. Regular use of context clues in preparation ensures that even unfamiliar words won't hamper your performance. This strategy will boost your score as well as strengthen your language. Okay, let's look at the next one. Number 4 is practice regularly with real PTE materials. And why it works? Because practicing with authentic materials helps you get used to test format. It helps to simulate the actual exam's question types, difficulty level, and structure. Let's look at the tips for effective practice. My number 1 tip is take official practice tests. Okay, so use materials from the official PTE website or trusted sources like ricepte.com. Practice under timed conditions to simulate the real exam. Second would be review your mistakes. So after each test, analyze your errors and understand why you get them wrong. Understand how your performance aligns with PTE scoring criteria. Okay? So spend more time on questions you find challenging. Measure your progress by taking full-length tests at regular intervals. Let's look at an example. Let's say if you missed a multiple choice question, okay? So revisit the passage to identify what you misunderstood. Consistent practice builds familiarity and confidence. It also enhances language skills. Regular practice trains you to handle exam stress effectively and helps you to achieve your desired score. Number 5 is develop effective time management skills. Do you want to know why it's key? The PTE reading section is time sensitive. So managing your time wisely ensures you can attempt all questions. Time management strategies will be, number 1 is timed practice. Set a timer for each passage and complete it within the limit. This helps you gauge how much time spent on each question. Second tip will be prioritize easier questions. So tackle fill-in-the-blanks questions first if you find them easier. Then move on to more challenging tasks. Okay? Efficient time management helps you to maximize your score potential. So my final thoughts are, improving your PTE reading score from 60 to 90 is achievable with the right approach. Number 1 is understand the question types. Second is master skimming and scanning. Third is enhance your vocabulary. Fourth is practice with real PTE materials. And last but not the least, fifth is manage your time effectively. So stay consistent, practice these tips, and watch your score soar. Good luck with your PTE preparation, and I will see you on my next lecture. Bye.